Understanding Replace the Blower, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound a bit technical at first. Replace the blower. It's a common term you might encounter in various contexts, especially those related to maintenance and repair. Whether you're learning English for work, study, or just for fun, understanding these kinds of phrases can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started. Replace is a verb that means to take something out and put something new in its place. It implies that something is either broken, outdated, or no longer suitable, and needs to be substituted with a new or different item. This concept is crucial in many areas, from everyday life to professional fields. A blower refers to a device that moves air. It can be part of various systems, such as heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, car heating systems, or even simple tools like leaf blowers. Blowers are essential for circulating air, cooling down components, or clearing debris. The need to replace the blower arises in scenarios where the device has failed, is not performing efficiently, or a newer, better model is available. This can be in your car, where the blower might stop working correctly, affecting the heating and cooling system. Or, in your home's HVAC system, where a malfunctioning blower can lead to poor air circulation. Replacing a blower involves several steps, which can vary depending on the type of blower and where it's used. Generally, it includes diagnosing the problem, removing the old blower, and installing a new one. This process requires some technical knowledge and tools, highlighting the importance of either learning how to do it yourself or seeking professional help. And that's a wrap on Replace the Blower. Whether you're dealing with a car, a home appliance, or any system requiring airflow, understanding this term can be very helpful. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of the phrase for you. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words but understanding how they apply in real life. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.